Nintendo, the fresh maker. Well, we're just going to pull this one apart because I'm curious as to what's on the inside. How similar it is or different it is to a SNES. So it's pretty simple, as far as I can tell. Oh, that was a nice crack. Need to buy one of those really nice long Stanley screwdrivers too. It's on my to-do list. Ah, it's good to be back in the game. Possibly see in the background there we've got laser active. More on that one later. Got to turn this the right way. Stay focused. Two, right on the side. I don't know if this one's been apart. The serial number is PM1380218. That's my lucky number. Alright, I made that up. My lucky number is actually PM1380216, but it's pretty close. Also, I don't know why my lucky number has 2 letters at the beginning. Maybe that's some sort of checksum. Let's do this! The screws are a gold brass looking colour, which is very exciting indeed. 6 screws. Let's just see if it separates. Oh yeah, it separates. Now on the underside, I found quite interesting. Let's have a bit of a closer look here. We've got this little fellow. If we lift him up by pinching in the 2 sides and lifting, it's an expansion port. Wonder what they had planned. Never really looked into the NES side of things. My guess is something got connected into there. Back to the stand. Look at that, I even remembered to focus. Now the plastic's quite brittle on these. Well, that was easy. So you gotta be careful not to chip it. Very brittle. So under the hood we've got the Emi Shielding. And this one looks like it may have been a part in the past. There is a screw sticking up a little bit. Looks like a little voltage regulator sitting next to it. And a big old 2200 UF 25 volt capacitor. So to dig a bit deeper, oh cool, it's the cartridge thing. Let's take off some Emi shielding. Now here's a good question for you, if you're still watching. This isn't the most exciting video, I know, I do apologise. If you had the option between turning your bedroom into a study and your lounge room into a bedroom, what would you do? I was thinking, because the study wouldn't be quite big enough to be a bedroom, but it would be the perfect size to have a sort of little repair room. And I was thinking, you know, maybe I could pile all my junk into there. And that way it would be all separate from my bedroom. Don't know if you all remember the story about my fat neighbour who lives above me, making noise 24/7. But I still haven't moved back, and we're now in April, so it's been... Actually, we're nearly in May. I've been away from home for 5 months. Going on 6, actually. Oh, damn. Yeah, it was early December. So that's a bit annoying, but I'm going to soundproof, I've decided. So that gives me a bit of direction in my life. Whether it's all the direction I need, I don't know. What is that hooked on? Oh, it's that screw that's only half out. 2, 4, 6, 7 screws. That's just a piece of metal. Okay, now what? If I had to guess, I would just keep taking out screws. It's generally the best thing to do in these situations. So we've been going with the gold coloured screws, so we'll keep going with the gold ones. There's 4 on the outer edges. Oh wow. Huh. It's, yeah, let's just hope this comes up now. What are those silver screws, you reckon? Ah, looks like I gotta come off as well. No doubt about it. So they're the middle screws, I guess you could call them. Get them somewhere safe. And the bit's all good. This little fellow in the corner is holding that in. Magic. There's 2 more screws by the looks. One there. The audio and video port, and one near the RF switch port. Probably so the sockets don't break off the board. Now, Japan used an external RF device, whereas it looks like Europe decided to stick one internally. Okay, so that's pretty loose now. Big chunk of Emi shielding there. A few more wires. Okay, oh god, the cartridge slot. No, it's not really the slot, it's the... What does that connect to? Get it out of there! Okay, so that's just more EMI. That's one thing the Japanese version lacked as well. EMI shielding. Thanks FCC. Stateside. So internally we've got blue connector which runs over to power and reset and the LED. And then we've got the plugs for the controller ports. I wonder what they're like on the original Famicom. If they're the same wiring and everything. You could just poke through a regular old Famicom controller. Anyway, let's have a look at the beast that is. Well, it's quite a different layout. But beautiful nonetheless. Let's just have a quick look at some of these chips. Say that's PAL Mattel. CPU-11. Oh, I know those 3197A chips. Oh, look at that, they even tell you what they are. VRAM. Oh, there's the WRAM. Both types of SRAM. Oh, Emitter collector base. I wonder if they're the exact same ones in the Famicom. What else have we got? These little guys up here. Good old computers in the game consoles. And obviously the RF is tacked on the side there. Dan 601. And there you have it. Well, to put it back together, just reverse the steps. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I didn't even get cut. That's pretty good. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. To every second one. So as you can see, as we're on this one, first one, so we've got this one and this one coming on. 2, we've just got this guy. 3, we've got this one and this one. 4, we just got this one. 5, we've got these 2. 6 and the 4th.